Hello friends, I'm Susmita. Welcome to our channel. Today I'll walk you through my balcony that I am going to rearrange. And if you like the video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. I thought to do little makeover as painting on my balcony is peeling off and lots of patches have come. I already have many small plants, so I bought this shelf to keep all these small plants. At first, I will take the measurement. In this shelf, there are 2 holes and all settings are given along with the items to fix it in the wall. Here I am taking my husband's help to do the drilling work. Actually, there are 4 cells, but I am fixing only 3. See, this grill also got rusted. I am cleaning this. I am painting it using black enamel paint. I am taking my husband's help to paint the wall. Actually, it is very difficult to paint with lot of plants without damaging them. We keep the color same so the aesthetic of this apartment will not change. Now I put my all plants back. Once in a year I used to do repotting. Every day I have to spend almost 1 hour for caring them. It may be difficult for many people, but I really feel good to have them surrounded. I don't like artificial plant much. In city, we are having very less greenery. So at least if you have some plants, I think you feel good. In this place, I'll put my all small plants. Look at my money plant. This place I use for storage purpose. Mostly I am keeping here my garden accessories. This is my Tulsi Manj. I bought it from Amazon. These also I purchased from Amazon. I'll give you the link. This place I use for keeping my gas cylinder. I don't keep the gas cylinder in kitchen for safety. From here, my gas cylinder is connected to kitchen. This place also I decorated with small succulents. Here I am decorating with 4 symbolic laughing Buddha. I am arranging my all plants. Lily, passion fruits plant, croton, Adica palm, money plants, in my house there are 5 hanging donkey tail plants. It grows very slowly. This plant is almost 3 years old. Now I am making a miniature garden and making some stone art. Here I am using acrylic color. See how it is turning out? Now I am making some DIY wall hanging. I am taking a piece of fabric and an embroidery loop. I am cutting out the excess fabric. I am adding some flowers using acrylic color. I am creating another DIY wall hanging using this circular wooden plank. Now I am using all this DIY in this wall to add some pop-up color. Though I have a pigeon net, you can see in my balcony many small birds used to come. So I am hanging some bird's nest so that they can also be members of our sweet home. Now I will make some seating arrangement. This watering can I purchased from Amazon. I'll give you the link So everything is done. It is not clear when it will rain in Bangalore. Look, it started raining as soon as I did my makeover today. Isn't it beautiful? So guys, hope you enjoy the video. I love this balcony so much. It has a very beautiful view. So happy to give it a makeover. Hope this makeover will inspire you to create some space in your sweet home. Don't forget to comment down below what do you think and what do you like about this space. Ta-da!